Good morning, everyone. It is now Friday.
Yeah.
Say, good morning.
Good boy.
Here, Kaika, good
Good
morning.
boy.
So it's already 7:50 and
Yeah.
ihahatid natin si Brian sa school today. And after
Yeah.
that,
Yeah.
pupunta ako sa car. Busy natin yung kotse. Let's see. Sige na. Of 8, then put on your shoes. It's the same, oh dear, since 1916 in your head. It's the same. Ryan. Come here. Sit down. Sit down. God. I should leave me.
I tickles. You. You.
Yeah? Okay, kiss it. Okay. Ah. TV out. Butter dito.
This is brown.
Yeah. Here. Here. TV out.
Da, 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 da.
Bye-bye. Going
Bye-bye.
there.
Bye-bye.
Going to school. Do you see I need to, it's raining.
I think it's raining.
Yeah, it's raining. It's raining, man.
What do I do?
Ay, ang gwapo. Bebe, patingin. Oh, wow. You look nice. You look guapo.
Thank you. Overall.
Wala na umaga, guys. Hatid na natin si Brian sa school. Let's see. Okay, we're going. Maulan na umaga.
Baka. Baba.
Maulan
Bula.
na
Da.
umaga.
Baga.
Okay. Guys, plano sana mag-car wash pero umuulan. So, uwi na lang tayo. Ay, nako. Wala pa. I'm hungry. Good morning, guys. It's already Saturday. 8, ano na? No, not 8. Mga 8:20 na. 8:21. Gawan ko lang muna ng brunch si Brian kasi nagugutom na daw siya. And of course, Brian wants the cereal with milk. Here,
Travel with hope in our minds. Moon's ring, the sky and the wind blowing back. Wild sea, we are all strangers to this land. And no map, no promise but the light ahead. Rolling into the great unknown. Every step leads away from home. New stars, so bright in the edge of the night. One star.
so, lulutuin ko na yung last na, yung ground pork and beef. Gagawin ko giniling na naman ako. Para hindi siya masayang. Okay.
The world begins again.
So, kailangan na natin yung
Rolling into the great
machine.
Every step leads away from
Cappuccino, guys.
rolling into the great unknown. Every step leads away from home. Rolling into the great unknown. Every step leads away from home.
Ay guys, nakatapos na ako ng isang vlog, nag-edit. It's already 3:20 na ng hapon. At naka-pajama pa kaming dalawa. It's literally a lazy day today. Yeah, mamaya manonood kami ng sine. Ako si Bryce at saka si Rene. So, iiwan namin tong maliit sa ano niya, sa lolo niya. So, manonood kami ng Disclosure Day. Alis kami dito ng 5:30. Ida-drop off namin si Brian sa father-in-law ko. Tapos, aalis kami. Hindi pa niya alam. Brian? You're going to Opa later, okay? Because we're going to, supermarket. Okay? Yeah. Nagsisinungaling kami pag ganyan kasi sumasama yan eh. Hindi pa siya pwede dun sa movie na yun eh. So, gawan muna natin siya ng, sandwich. Bakit ang, ulo ko? May tatlo pa akong vlogs na kailangan i-edit para wala na akong iisipin pa pagdating ng Monday kasi may work na naman ako. So, meron pa akong tatlo. I think 1, 2. Parang dalawa siguro i-mix ko na lang kasi hindi naman siya masyadong mahaba. But anyway, yes. Para hindi na tayo na-behind. Na-behind ako this week kasi nga may project akong ginagawa sa work. Cost me so much time at nag-stress ako gawa ng formulate ng mga bagay-bagay. So, yun. So, in short, na-present ko na siya nung Friday sa work. And then, Friday ba yun? Na-present siya nung Wednesday. And after ng Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, bumawi ako sa tulog. Sa tulog at saka sa literally bumawi lang ako sa tulog. Kasi nung ongoing pa yung project, alam mo yung gusto mong matulog, pero ang dami mong iniisip na siguro pwede ko to idagdag, pwedeng hindi, or tatanggalin ko na lang to, or ganyan. So, ang dami kong mga iniisip, kaya hindi ako nakakatulog. Paggising ko, yung project pa rin ang iniisip ko, kaya nasistress ako eh. So, I'm so happy na natapos na siya nung Wednesday, na-present ko na, and na lang namin, ita-try out na lang namin yun. So, hopefully sana mag-work. But then again, yun na yun. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, hindi ko na to gagawin ulit. Magpa-project man ako, hanap ako ng hindi masyadong, stressful. So, yun. And, but anyhow, I'm very happy and very proud of myself na nagawa ko to. Anyway, yun nga, bumabawi nung Thursday at Friday. As in, dun ko na-feel lahat ng pagod. It's also nice kasi very challenging, but that's okay. Tapos na, na-present na. So, focus na ako dito sa edit ko kasi na-enjoy ko to eh, yung nagba-vlog, nag-edit ng mga videos. So, I'm fine with this now. So, Brian, sandwich. So, ngayon, isang vlog pala ang na-edit ko. After namin mag-movie later, nakatulog naman na ako ngayon. Nag-nap ako. And then, later, tatapusin ko lahat. Tapos, isa-schedule ko na lang siya sa this week. So, yes. Gusto ko mag-coffee. Nalinis ko na rin ang coffee machine. And, yun nga lang, ang magka-catch up na naman ako sa mga gawaing bahay, yung magtitiklo pa ako, may laundry pa ako, maglilinis pa ako ng bahay. As in the entire morning talaga today, nag-edit lang ako. Catch up talaga. Kasi ang dami na nasa-stock na yung mga videos ko. So, yun. Yeah, dahil lang dun sa project, as in. Pero anyway, move on na tayo. Tapos na yun. Di na ako ulit. Joke. Put on his seat belt, Bryce.
Mama, do.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, hahouden.
Ja, ik ben aan de ethisch geboren en de meid is eigenlijk ook inmiddels
Ja, dat heb ik gisteren ook tegen je verteld.
I thought it was Amber's voice. Keep going.
Ja, dan heb je de Spice Girls echt zeer bewust meegekregen in die tijd.
Klopt, ja, absoluut.
Ja, het was wel echt even een wereldfenomeen wat daar gebeurde.
Ja, echt, dat ging zo hard, zo snel.
Tot straks! Hallo! Brian! Iwan siya. Pero okay naman siya. Masaya naman siya sa lolo niya. Doy! Tot straks! Tot straks! At least he's happy. Right? Ring butterfly. What are you? Okay. Ring butterfly. Naano ko tong dalawa. So, 31 minutes pa mag-start yung movies. Mag-wait muna kami dito at maybe mag-snack. And then, ba't ayaw nila? Ha?
Hi, tea for two. Are they gonna serve?
I don't think they're going to serve any.
I don't think so.
We're checking if we can order something before we start a movie. Can I see? Like,
Mom.
Bryce. So, dito na kami sa cinema. Charot.
I think it's better to sit down, then you have more space to put all your food there.
May pa-peanut pa, oh. So we're on our way now to pick up our little alien. I think I need to buy
It's 50% alien because 50% is from me.
nakakabitin yung movie. Pero maganda siya. Sabi nga na,
Yeah, I know. Shall we go after that?
pero medyo bitin siya. I would say. Parang feeling ko may part, may second part pa yun. As usual, ang ganda pa rin ni Emily Blunt. One of my favorite actress. So yeah. Huh? Hi!
Ben jij nog wakker? Ja. Jongen.
Hi!
Hi Brian.
Oh, he will run.
Huh?
He will run there. All you need a love. Hi, waar is je schoen?
Nog een keer.
Nog een keer. Kom, ga nou boven.
Yeah. Are you not sleeping yet? Hey.
Zaait hier, kom.
Uh-oh.
Oude mensen.
There's someone at your photo. Vertel, wat heb je daar?
Ik heb dino with fish.
Wacht. En deze? Jongen, man.
Opa bedanken.
Nou, opa, bedanken. Ja, is goed. Alien.
Dankjewel, opa.
Dankjewel, opa. Yeah, he's explaining me what he was drawing.
Nou, laat zien. Laat mama
Okay,
zien.
what was that again?
Ik doe het.
Oh. Ga je bij...
Ja, hij kan het beter dan ik.
Ja? Oké.
Oh, je gaat een foto maken van je tekening. Oké.
Ja. Ja. Goed.
Licht.
Ja, want anders gooit opa het weg, hè?
Wauw.
Wow.
Oké.
Can you tell us what is this?
Een wolk.
Ja, en?
En kijken op het telefoon van de mama.
Oké, ik heb afding.
Even appen.
Telefoon van mama.
Opa, je moet
Ja,
even
ja.
een foto appen.
Nee.
De foto sturen.
We gaan Brian say thank you opa, dankjewel opa.
Opa een knuffel geven. Dankjewel, opa.
Dag Brian. Wat van te weten.
Nou, zijn
Ja.
we morgen, opa.
Ja,
Nee.
Mama.
Ja.
Opa, laat ik
Ik,
lopen, opa, zo weer.
Mag ik een
Brian.
Mensen krijgen allemaal aantaal hier.
Dansen, dansen. Dansen. You dance like your dad.
Nou, dat is leuk om eten. Hey, kom op, we lopen.
Yeah. They changed it to Panaku.
dankjewel mama. Dankjewel mama.
Tuurlijk. Ito yung ano, dito, pancake house. Namatay na kasi itong may-ari dito. Parati kami dito before. Ngayon pinalitan na. Iba na siguro ang may-ari. Oh, yay! So, kakain muna kami ng ice cream. Paborito namin to dito. Malapit lang kami before. Dito nakatira. Nung lumipat kami sa Manbike, wala na. Medyo malayo na. Ooh! Ja. Dansen!
Een chocoladeijsje.
Ik wil
Wil je
graag... Hebben ze andere... Huh?
Hier, die kiezen. Welke wil je
Oh,
hebben?
die.
Chocolade.
Oké,
Oké.
chocola. Doe de melkbasis maar. Een bakje voor ons.
Bakje. Bakje. Ja.
En wat wil jij?
Wat wil jij?
Snickers en Oreo.
Ik wil alleen pistache.
Zou die nou Snickers en?
Right, wat wil jij? Snickers en?
Oh ja.
Oreo.
Voor hem een hollentje met Snickers en Oreo.
En voor mij een bakje pistache.
Een bakje pistache.
Ja,
Gewoon
pistache.
2 bolletjes.
Where did he sign from?
Huh?
Where did
AZ, ook maar.
okay, let me see. Oh wow.
Dat is mijn ijsje.
But yeah, he was
Ja, maar...
Rick is
Oh, jij kan ook een horen trouwens.
okay. Just now?
Kuya na. Kuya na. Oh. Nu Brian. Nee, nu moet je Kuya, nu moet je mama nadoen. Mama dansen.
Đi vậy mama.
Bakan. Bakan.
Mama. Oortjes. De oortjes.
Here. Hey. Come now, here. Here. Dikad. Uy. Come now. Ah. Nee, niet mij.
Okay.
Later, yeah? Ears tarik picture. Okay. Daughter step.
Yung gusto ko papaan.
Yeah. Nakapasok kong papaan, yeah? Yeah. Love you. Daughter step. So, say good night, Say good night. Here. Say good night, everyone. Say good night.
Good night, everyone.
Good night. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.